it's Charlotte here from the Mac Observer. Thank you so much for joining me once again on our YouTube channel. I've been really enjoying my new 10.2-inch iPad, so I thought I'd share some tricks that I've learned with you. There are lots of iPadOS tips and tricks to go through, but let's start with multitasking. With the first app you're using open, pull the second one up from the dock. It does have to be in the dock. As you see here, I've loaded up Apple News so that I can maybe read a couple of things across my iPad. Here, in what is called slide over, you can, as the name suggests, slide one app over the top of the other and move around that second app. The next type of multitask is called split. To use this, pull the second app all the way to the side and the page splits in two. You can adjust the relative size of the apps by pulling the grey slider in the middle. You can use each app independently and scroll through them. If you want to stop using multiple apps, pull the app you want to keep using all the way across. Thanks so much for joining me. Remember to subscribe to this channel, check us out at macobserver.com, and I'll see you again soon.